Okay, now we're gonna go over some gestures in the Spectar app. So for one, when you take your hand and flip your wrist, so you have two menus, your Spectar menu and your Microsoft menu. By clicking your Microsoft menu, it'll give you the main screen you saw earlier, and by re-clicking it, it will go away. On your Spectar menu on your palm, by giving that a select, it will bring this menu above, and as you can see, I'm able to do my hand where my index finger is up and my thumb is out, and it'll make a circle at a distance, and when I close them together, it makes a dot and a solid line. By doing so, it allows me to drag the menu anywhere I would like. Also, by just clicking it, by bringing your thumb and your index finger together, it gives a select, so you can select and close menus. Again, flip, select, pinch, drag, and select.